Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I'm going to be making a quick little video showing you guys how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2017 and newer Ford Super Duty truck. That includes F-250s, 350s, 450s, and 550s. Now this particular truck we're working on today is a 2020 F-250 Limited 4-wheel drive. It's got about 12,000 miles and it's time that we replace the cabin air filter for the first time. Now Ford recommends that you replace the cabin air filter every 20,000 miles, but since we're in a dusty environment here, the desert Southwest, we do it a little bit more often because we don't get a lot of rain and it's always dusty outside. Overall, the job is pretty simple. However, there is a couple things we're going to need. So before we begin, let's go ahead and go over all the parts and tools we're going to need to get the job done. So as far as tools go, all we need is a 7mm socket and a plastic trim removal tool. This tool is optional, however, it's really going to help us not damage any of the plastic pieces we're going to be removing. And as far as our filter, we're going to be using the Motorcraft filter. I'll go ahead and throw a link in the description if you want to purchase this online. Now the first thing we need to do is open the lower glove compartment and the upper glove compartment. Next we need to remove this slide. We're going to be pushing it down and then out. Once that's done, we need to take both ends of the glove box and fold them in. That'll allow us to completely push down the glove box. All right, next thing, we're gonna pull on this little cubby area here. It is attached in a few places. No tools needed, just go ahead and pull on it hard and it'll come right out. So from here, we'll be using our trim removal tool to help us remove this plastic tray right here. You could just take your trim removal tool or your hands and kind of pry down and out. We're just gonna set it aside. Now with all that removed, we finally have access to our door that the cabin air filter sits. We're going to take our fingers and unlatch this side and that'll allow us to remove this access door, which will expose our cabin air filter. Now before you remove the filter, it's important to note which way the arrows are going. These air filters are directional, and as you can see, the arrows are pointing down. So with our old air filter out, let's go ahead and install our new one the same way. And that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the parts and tools I used during this video. Thanks again as always, guys. See you next time.